babies, this is the inspired look for today. If you want to know how I came about this look, stick around. Hey J babies, I've already done my eyebrows and primed my eyes, and yes, I know that my eyebrows are not the same, but hey, it's whatever. We're gonna go with the NiqueNatural Beat Palette again. NiqueNaturalTM Beat Palette again. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Just gonna do a look out here and get it together, I suppose. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do is go in with this metal right here. I don't know why I got to. Maybe I should turn it this way. That would probably be a lot better. Going with meadow. I like that color. So we'll just start with that first. Okay. Just gonna put this brush BS small and use this and just tap it in just like that. All right, since we got that laid down on this side, we're gonna do the same on this side. And I am not getting any fallout. And I love that. And I'm going in this palette and I'm holding it up so it should be falling down. Nothing. I'm not even getting little droplets on my eyes underneath. I love this palette. My two favorite palettes right now is this NiqueNaturalTM Beat Palette and the Welcome Row Beauties palette. Those are my two favorite palettes right now. Okay. That's what that looks like. That's a pretty color. I love that color. Okay, we're going to buff the edges out on metal. Get that all nice and buffed out. Do the same on this side. Okay, I'm still buffing metal out. I placed pecan up in there. Pecan, whichever way you want to call it. I placed it up closer to my brow bone. So now I'm going to go in with custard and dab that up there. Okay, now we're going to place sour green right here in the middle. I'm going to go like that in a half moon shape. And then I'll bring it up. We're going to go lower lash line with that green. Do the other eye as well. Okay, and we're going to take that sour grape again and go right in the center. Now I'm going to take a little bit of pecan and custard and go underneath that green. Try to diffuse it a little, clean it up a little. Same thing under here. Okay. Now we're going to go into, I'm going to put my lashes on. I'll be right back. Okay, I have my lashes on. Now we're going to do foundation. I'm just going to do everything at once. We're going to put the contour on. I don't know why I'm trying this without my mirror. Y'all know I ain't even ready for that step, baby. I'll go around top, underneath my nose. Okay. All right. I'll buff out the nose portion first. Bring it up into the brow. All right. Now we're going to go into the contour. You're going to brush it up. I blend it into the jawline, then I brush it up. And I do realize I haven't placed on any concealer for my high points yet. I'm just worried about this for now. We're going to use the e.l.f. concealer and Deep Cinnamon. Bring it down my bridge of my nose on the tip, right there. Middle of my forehead, chin, around this area here. And then we're going to use medium beige and place it right there, tip of the nose. Just place a dot in there. Alrighty. We're going to let that sit for a minute. Let it sit, let it sit. Foundation, NYX Chestnut. Put it right here, right here, right here, right here. Here, here. Alright. We're going to go in with the foundation first. Now, I'm going to wipe my brush off a little bit. Now I'm going to do my highlight. Well, my concealer, the high points. And I'm going to do my nose again with the contouring. Now I'll go under my eyes with my blending brush. I mean with my, not my blending brush, but my blender here. And then I'm gonna have to touch up my eyes again underneath. Sometimes you can get away with it. To this Beat Palette again, and we're gonna use brown sugar right here to contour our nose. That's what we're going in with. Okay, bring it up to the brow. I want this part wider. I want it to be a little wider. I don't want it to look like my nose just vanished on me. Why is that like that? It's alright, I'll be able to fix it. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the powders. Now we're gonna go in with MAC, the darkest color, underneath. Wipe off my brush. I'm gonna go in with Fenty Beauty Mocha Mommy. Now we're going to go in with we're going to set our under eye with NW40 by MAC. Use my little powder puff. Okay, it's pressed all in. Then I'm going to use Laura Mercier around the bottom portion of my face. Press it in. Just want to make sure you get it pressed in there. All right. I still have to put on blush and highlight. I do recognize that. Okay. I'm going to use Cheeky Bronze from MAC. All right. Now we're going to do some blush. I'm just going to grab some. We'll use this one. This color. Load it up on my brush. Go on the nose. Make the nose look cute. All right. Now we're going to finish off the eyes. I'm going to look for a eyeliner for the inside and do the lashes at the bottom. Be right back. Okay, I decided to pop some Electric Daisy ColourPop eyeliner gel inside my waterline here, as you can see. And I've also decided to use Iceberg, this color right here, right in the inner corners of my eye, from the NiqueNaturalTM Beat Palette. Oh, getting my palette dirty. No. All right, now we're going to go on to lips. I'm going to do a new lip because this look is so prominent. I'm lining my lips, and you guys already know what the liner is. Chestnut. Okay. And then I'm going to go in with my fave, Lip Blaze, Rosemary. Okay. It's my actual favorite new lip combo. That's why I use it so much. And then I'm going to go in with white cherry. What does that say? White cherry. Wet cherry, white cherry. Gloss. Over the top. Okay, J babies. This is the look. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so the next time that Poojae comes online, you will be what? Notified. All right, love you guys. Bye.